Dear Sister General, Assistant General, and all the sisters of ASMI family, I'm very glad to be with you today for this one day seminar, a crash course on computing skills for all the secretaries and all those who work on computer most of the time. Thank you, Sister Vidya, for the words of welcome. My dear sisters, we are living in a digital world and all of us are expected to work on computer for various purposes. But due to ignorance, very often we waste so much time for things we can do in a few minutes. For example, one person I saw giving up 2 months of summer holidays to complete a school account done manually in the book, which I could do it in one day with Tally program for 1 year's account. Another person I saw working for days to type a list of names of 1,000 files in the computer folder, which actually takes only 1 minute to work. Another person I saw spending so much money to make photocopy of a 600-page book to choose a few pages for his work later, not knowing that with his mobile in his hand, this 600 pages book could be scanned in 1 hour without spending any money, and then he could print the few pages which he needed whenever he wants. Another person I saw who completed typing and proofreading of the content for a book, and then after finishing all the work and proofreading, spending so much time to convert that into book manually, which is actually just 1 minute work, just giving a print command. Many similar examples we find in our day-to-day life, and that is why we need to know how to make best use of the facilities that are already available in our hand, the computer that we have, the mobile that we have. Just because we do not know, we are actually having everything, but we do not make best use of it. If you look at the table of contents that I had given you, you will find a long list of items, but I have made many small videos of each of them so that you can watch it again and again without any difficulty till you are sure of it. To save your time, I have spent more time recording them beforehand, so you make proper use of it. Yesterday, I have prepared a website with all the recorded videos arranged in order so that you will not miss any of them and are able to access them easily. But this website will be available to you only for 2 days, because when it is given for a longer period, it is a human tendency to think that I shall watch it later and miss the treasure in it. Therefore, you have to go through everything as soon as possible, and if at all any doubt, ask questions in the WhatsApp group, for which the link I had already given you. Now we shall look at how to make use of this website. So let us get into the computer. So here we are on the website Smart Secretary in a Digital Era, Tips and Tricks for Smarter and Faster Computing. So you have the link already. You just click on the link and you will reach on this website. And then this is the home page, the first page. You can glance through and click at these to watch them. To click at the welcome screen, when you click on this welcome, you shall listen to the welcome by Sister Vidya. And then click on this introduction, those who are not heard that. Then we have the table of contents here. These table of contents are on different pages. As we see on top we have home, lesson 1 to 12, lesson 13 to 24. Each of these are different pages of this website. So when you click on that, it will take you to that particular place. The same thing is given on the footer or the bottom of every page as well. SSD 1 to 12, SSD 13 to 24, all these. Whether you click on top or down, it goes to the same place depending on the number that is shown. And on every footer, there is one more line here. Click here to send a personal message to the animator of this seminar. It can be a comment, advice, criticism, or appreciation. So anytime you can just click here, especially after finishing this session, you can click and send a personal comment. I will appreciate that. Then let us try going through a few pages just to show you sample. For example, if you click on lesson 1 to 12, So it will go to the second page of this web page. Depending on the speed of your internet, it will come faster or slower. But don't worry, you only need to little wait if your internet is slow. So this is the second page where we have lessons 1 to 12, the short videos recorded on that topic. According to table of content, the first lesson is essential skills and competencies of a secretary, the administrative assistant. So in order to watch any of these videos, you just click on this first screen for this video, this screen for that video. Every video has got the title on top as well as at the bottom. So if you click, for example, now the first one, if you click on this, when that particular video is opened, at the bottom of that video we have this enlarge option. If you click on this, it will become a bigger screen, otherwise it will be a small screen. So make sure you click on this in order to enlarge. So I click, so it will become a full screen. So you shall watch that video in a full screen mode. So whenever you want to reduce the size, just press escape or click on this bottom right, this key. Then volume controls are there at the left. This is to play, this is just if you click on this, it will play, otherwise it is stopped. Similarly, go to all these videos on first page. Then when you finish that, go to the next page by clicking here. So that way, go till the end, the last page up to 72. I have recorded and kept the 73 to 100. There are some additional skills with the external links. So after finishing, you give priority to the first 70, which I have recorded and kept. These are additional skills, which is external link. When you click on that, it will go to another videos by some other people. So that's it for the introduction. Now I wish you all the best. Make best use of the time that is available and the resources, and I am sure you will enjoy and you will learn much. And even if you know certain things, even if you did not learn certain things, at least you will get new idea how we can do it. Sometimes it's not necessary that we should learn everything or we should know everything. If you know there is another way, we will be able to find the appropriate person to help you. For example, you do not, other day somebody was telling me that because of Corona lockdown, I am not able to go out to repair my computer. But actually, if you know, even if you do not know how to repair, but if you know that there is a possibility sitting in my room, I am able to get somebody's help. A person who is sitting anywhere in the world can help me to repair my computer by simply using one program which is already by default installed in the Windows, or another program called TeamViewer that can be downloaded and installed. And then giving access to that person can take control of my computer for the time being and then do all that is needed to repair my computer or find fault, what is the fault, or to help me type some other language which I am not sure. Any of those things can be done. And we don't need to wait for days to go out to find a computer expert or even to spend money. Sometimes we can help each other, provided you know that. So it is not necessary that you should know everything, but at least a way out. And that is the main expectation of this course. You get different ideas and how it can be done. So wish you all the best. Have a nice time. Make best use of this, and thank you.